Digital marketing is a broad term that encompasses a range of strategies and techniques for promoting products, services, or businesses online. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential for reaching and engaging with your target audience. One of the most popular forms of digital marketing is social media marketing. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn offer a huge audience and a variety of tools for businesses to connect with their customers. Social media can be used to share content, run ads, engage with followers, and build brand awareness. Another important aspect of digital marketing is search engine optimization, SEO. SEO involves optimizing your website and content to improve your rankings on search engine results pages. By using relevant keywords, creating high-quality content, and building links to your website, you can improve your visibility online and attract more traffic to your site. Paid advertising is another effective digital marketing strategy. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow businesses to target specific audiences with ads that are relevant to their interests and behavior. This can help to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, and generate leads and sales. Email marketing is another powerful tool in the digital marketing toolkit. By building an email list of subscribers who are interested in your products or services, you can send targeted messages and promotions to them on a regular basis. Email marketing is a cost-effective way to reach your audience and build customer loyalty. In conclusion, digital marketing is an essential part of any modern business strategy. By using a combination of social media, SEO, paid advertising, and email marketing, businesses can connect with their customers and grow their online presence. Thank you for listening.